Loretta. Thanks for joining me today. Let's paint this fun painting. It's a mason jar with lemonade and some lemons and flowers, and we're going to do it in 10 minutes. You can join me. I'm going to start with the mason jar, and I'm just going to put some water down. So a little bit of color in here. A little turquoise around the edge. A little darker here at the rim. Just so we have the illusion of the jar without filling it in. Anyways, I'm on a time crunch here, so I'm going to do this quickly. Sometimes on a hot summer day, it's fun to just paint. Stay inside, get the air conditioning on. Hopefully you have that. Here in Idaho, it's really hot today, so I don't feel like going out. All right, so I've got that going. I'm going to add some yellow for the lemonade in here. Once again, I'm going to just put some water. Water do a lot of the work with watercolor. Put some yellow. And the lemons. I like to add a little bit of orange to the lemons, or green, depending on how ripe they are. This one will add some green. Okay, so what happened here is I didn't let this dry first. So the green is bleeding into the yellow. And there's a way of fixing that. I'm going to take a dry brush and I'm just going to soak up some of this. And I'll add a little bit of yellow later on. I'm leaving the white of the paper here where the lemon is, so I'm just adding some yellow. Now let's work on these flowers. I just wanted to put some pretty pink flowers in the painting. Just add a touch of color. I love this pink. It's like an opera pink color. It's so pretty. You could always make that pink lemonade if you want. Okay, now here I might be blending part of the pink into that wet lemon again, so I'm going to wait. Put pink in the straw. It's a white have our little 10-minute painting. I think it's cute. I'm going to add a little bit of orange, lemon, and orange in the center of the flowers, just for the fun of it. And there we have it. That's it. 10-minute painting on a hot summer day with some lemonade. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my watercolors, and also I have paint party paintings that I do with acrylic, and I so appreciate your watching. Thank you. See you next time. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe, and hit that notification button for more videos to learn how to paint with acrylic and watercolor. Thanks for watching.